Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll explore 3 important Outlook features that help you keep your mailbox organized and easy to manage: folders, rules, and quick steps. Folders allow you to build a structure for storing your emails. Rules let Outlook automatically sort incoming messages based on criteria you choose. And quick steps help you perform frequent actions instantly with a single click. Let's go through each of these features step by step. Let's begin with folders. Folders help you sort your emails so you can locate them more easily. You can create folders for topics such as reports, alerts, projects, or any category that supports your daily work. To create a new folder, right-click on your inbox. Select New Folder and give it a name, for example, Alerts. You can repeat the same steps to create additional folders, and you can also create subfolders inside any folder to build a complete structure that matches your workflow. Once your folders are created, you can start organizing emails. Select a message in your inbox and drag and drop it into the folder where you want it to go. When you do this, Outlook moves the email from the inbox, or from whichever folder it is currently stored in, directly into the folder where you dropped it. If you want to copy the email instead of moving it, press the Control key on your keyboard while dragging and dropping. This action will keep the original email in its current folder and place a copy in the destination folder. If you prefer not to drag and drop, you can right-click the message, choose Move, and then select the folder from the list that appears. If you want to keep a copy of the message in both locations, choose Copy instead of Move. These options give you full flexibility when organizing your mailbox. Now, let's look at how Outlook can do this for you automatically. Rules are automated instructions that Outlook follows every time a new email arrives. They're helpful when you regularly receive messages from specific people, departments, or systems and want those emails to land directly in the correct folder without having to move them yourself. Let's see how to create and customize rules in Outlook. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Move section, select Rules and then choose Manage Rules and Alerts. A window will open with all the rules that are currently active. If your mailbox is new, this list will be empty. Click New Rule. You can start from a template, such as moving messages from a person to a folder, but for full control, choose the option Apply Rule on messages I receive. This gives you complete access to all rule conditions and actions. In the first step, choose the criteria that must be met for the rule to apply. For example, you can specify that the rule should run for messages from a particular sender. Click the link that appears in the rule description and either select the contact from your address list or type the email address manually. You can also set additional conditions, such as messages that contain a specific word in the subject line, messages with a certain importance level, or messages sent only to you. These conditions tell Outlook exactly which emails should be affected by the rule. After selecting the conditions, click Next and define what should happen to those messages. For example, you might choose Move it to the specified folder and then select your folder. This means that any message matching your criteria will automatically move to that folder the moment it arrives. Click Next again, and you can add exceptions. Exceptions allow you to fine-tune the rule. For instance, you may want most messages from a certain sender to move into a folder, except when you are included in the To or CC fields. Defining exceptions helps you prevent important messages from being moved away from your inbox. When you've finished setting up the rule, give it a clear name so you can identify it later. You can also choose to run the rule immediately on the messages already in your inbox. Click Finish and then OK. From that moment on, Outlook will apply the rule automatically. Rules are flexible, and you can edit them at any time. Return to the Rules and Alerts window, select the rule, and choose Change Rule and Edit Rule Settings. Here you can modify the conditions, change the actions, update conditions, or adjust the exceptions. Sometimes a rule works well at first, but needs refining as your workflow changes. A small adjustment is usually enough to make it behave exactly as you need. You can also run a rule manually by selecting Run Rules Now. This is useful when you want to clean up your mailbox and automatically organize older emails. Another helpful tool in Outlook is Quick Steps. Quick Steps are designed to save time by allowing you to perform common or repetitive actions instantly with a single click. They do not run automatically like rules, but they're ideal for actions you perform often, such as moving emails to a specific folder, forwarding messages to your team, or applying multiple actions at once. To create a quick step, go to the Home tab and look for the Quick Step section on the ribbon. Select New Quick Step, then choose one of the available options, such as Move to Folder. A window will appear where you can define what you want this quick step to do. For example, you might create a quick step called Tech that moves the selected emails directly into the Tech folder. Select the destination and click Finish. Once it is created, you simply select one or more messages and click the quick step to perform the action immediately. Quick steps are most useful when you want speed without creating a permanent, automatic rule. They give you the power to process your emails quickly while maintaining full control over when the action is applied. By combining a clear folder structure with the power of Outlook rules and quick steps, you can keep your inbox organized, reduce manual work, and stay focused on the messages that matter most. Thanks for watching.